What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Marlon here. Today is a different video. Like the title says, I'm spending 24 hours with my dream car. I worked something out for you guys. You guys probably know what it is by the thumbnail, but anyways, we're staying in the Hollywood Hills. I'll give you guys a little tour of the place real quick. So we got one room, couch here. Walk this way. We got the balcony. Balcony's pretty dope. This spot's dope, but as you can see right here, the streets are a little narrow. But we are literally tucked in the hills, if you can see. You can't really see much, but you know where I'm getting at. Yeah, but it's pretty dope up here. It's crazy. Okay, so we got this room. Get you guys some attention. So that's pretty much it. With this apartment, you only get the bottom half. Someone else is staying up above, and then I think someone else is below. But anyways, I got a special car for you guys. Here are the keys. This is a hint to it. We got the GTR keys. So I'm gonna head outside and show you guys the car. Here's the GTR. Got the GTR right here. It has a body kit. I don't know the name of the body kit, but it looks so dope. Wide body, Nismo. Got the race decals. It's absolutely insane. It looks so good tucked in the hills too. This car is making, I believe, 700 horsepower. But you can definitely hear the twin turbos. It's absolutely insane. Let me go ahead and unlock it for you guys real quick. Okay, got the love the GTR doors. Insane. All right. This car's actually fitted with the aftermarket exhaust, so when I put in the manual mode, it opens up. It's catless. It's extremely loud. You can hear the turbos, but that's exactly what you want with the GTR. So I'm gonna start the car. We're gonna drive down the hill. I'm gonna try to find a street where I can do like a flyby, and then I'll basically just record myself driving it, get you guys a reaction to it, and let you guys hear it with the windows down so you guys can experience. So yeah, let's get on the road. Oh my God, it sounds so good. All right, guys, let's go. All right, so we're leaving the Airbnb, so I'm gonna do a little pull leaving out of here just to show you guys how fast it is. All right, you guys, so we're at a red light. I'm gonna give it some gas. I'm gonna let the people go in front of me. Are you ready? All right, so I'm just gonna be driving around, doing some pulls, but I'm gonna try to find a street so we can do like a flyby the car so you guys can see it in action. There's a cop right there. Luckily, get somebody else taking at me. Anyways, so I'll get back to you guys when we find a street, do some more pulls, but for right now we're driving. It's a lot of traffic. It's really hard to get you guys content. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we find another street. So we're on the way to Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive. So currently we're just driving in the hills, not really much going on. But I hope you guys are enjoying the GTR, at least the sounds that it makes, the turbo spool. Couldn't get that much footage with the GTR as far as a vlog with it, but I got a POV video coming out soon, so you guys should really wait for that. Check it out, it's gonna be good. I guess I'll show you the car one more time. And I got another car, another surprise, another POV coming up. I guess I'll give you guys a little glimpse of it right now with the GTR. So we got the BMW M3 right here. This is gonna be the next car I'm gonna film with. Get a POV with it for you guys. And here's the GTR. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.